Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we did just get paid and we are actually stuffing $1,037 from our paycheck. So it's going to be a really good video. And as you can see, I do have the Mother's Day trip. I usually just do this on Tuesdays with money challenges, but however, Mother's Day is Sunday, so I wanted to not complete this. We're not going to complete this challenge, but we are going to get really close to it, which is totally fine. I'll accept that. So first off, let's go ahead and count to make sure that we have $1,037. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So $1,037, which is really good. A majority of it will be going towards, what's it called? We'll be going towards Mother's Day, which is totally fine. And we are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and of course our sinking funds as well. So let's go ahead and lay all of this out and we will get started with our cash envelopes first. All right, so we have our cash envelopes right here and we're going to start with groceries. Now groceries is going to be getting $100 as usual. 20, 40, 60, 81, so $100. And this is to last us for 2 weeks. Gas is going to be getting $140, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. So $124, and I just filled up, which is really good because we are going to be going out of town tomorrow for Mother's Day. I do have an extra dollar, so that dollar is going to be going towards the money challenges. And then fun money, we are actually going to be taking this $100 bill right here and we are going to break it down. I'm not going to be doing any yard sale. We might hit up some Goodwills. So I'm actually going to take from renewals. I'm going to take $100 from here. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, and 100. So we have renewals has $101 and we are just going to go ahead and put $100 in here. And then we will put this money, the breakdown money, into our fund money. So 20, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And that is going to be going to our fund money. All right, so the Mother's Day trip for vacation and traveling, that's going to be stuffed last. So next we are actually going to be doing our side hustle. So our side hustle is from eBay and from Mercari. And from the past 2 weeks, we have made $80, which is really good. So we're going to go 50, 60, 70, and 80. So $80 in side hustle for the past 2 weeks, which is really, really, really good for us. Moving on to our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes, we're going to start with medical. So medical, and let me get my marker ready because we're going to update it while we are doing this. Medical, we are going to be putting $23. So 20, 1, 2, and 3. So we should have $220, so 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $220, which is good for us. I didn't have to pay a copay from the doctors when I went Thursday actually. Car maintenance is going to be getting $34. And let's see, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So this, and that. So we have 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $670 is how much we have in car maintenance. $670. And that is pretty good. So the $500 is actually in my savings account, which I'm thinking about putting it into my Capital One savings account. But we will see, just because I can get more interest every month from that if I put more money into my high yield savings account over at Capital One. Vacation, we are going to skip because we are going to do the Mother's Day trip. Dobby is going to be getting $20. So he has 20, 30, 31, and 32. So he has $32 as of right now, which is good because, of course, he always needs food and groomers and everything else. Christmas will be getting $20. We have $21, and then this will be taken out on Tuesday when I do the money challenges. Special occasion is going to be getting $20 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, and 73. So $173. And this is for a trip in August, which is going to be really fun. Home is not going to get anything, but we're still going to count it. So 10, 15, and 16. Beauty is not getting anything as well, and we are going to do 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. I did post a Dollar Madness video on Friday, so some of these beauty, like if you see $1 or $3, something very low, it means that they won during the Dollar Madness. Just FYI, letting y'all know. Because you're like, wait, why is there like just $1 in renewals? Well, that's because I rolled a dice and it landed on renewals. So that is the reason. Renewals is getting $20. So it has 120 and 21 now. Okay. And then we are going to be moving on. So the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the $480 that we are going to be stuffing in vacation. Now this is all going towards Mother's Day. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, and 80. So $480. And I know that doesn't line up with the $25 icon each. But that is totally fine. So we are going to color all the way up to, I had a little mark, so we're going to color all the way up to here, which is great for us. So we are just going to color this in really quickly. And you know, we can always just chat it up. I hope everybody is having a great start of the weekend. I totally am. My mom is here. We had graduation on Friday for my sister-in-law. We have been running around. I just packed. My mom still doesn't know where we are going whatsoever. I might end up vlogging because y'all don't really know where we're going either. And I think it'll be really special to just document it and everything. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I might film it, but I hope I want to know what y'all are doing for Mother's Day, whether it be for yourself or for your own mom. whatever you plan on doing, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, so we are almost done coloring it. So we only need 3 more. And perfect. So this coloring sheet is not going to correspond with the envelope because I already paid for the hotel, which was $360, I believe. So you will not see that match, which I think I have it right here. $340 was taken out, just FYI. So we are going to add $480. So let's see what we can come up with. 50, 20, and 10. And I'm sorry, these are not the same way. So let's see how much we have for the weekend of Mother's Day. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 800, and 10, 15, and 16. I believe that's right. So 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $816. That is a really good amount that we saved. I can already tell you that $558 is already going to be spent because I made a reservation on some stuff. So $816 minus, it says $558. Let's see. 558 times 20%. 5. So $669. I'm just calculating tips, you guys, just FYI. So I'll have $147 left from the trip, which is totally fine because we are only there for the weekend. All right, you guys, so that is it. We have stuffed our cash envelopes and we also stuffed our sinking funds. We almost completed a Mother's Day, which I might keep and just restart it over for the future travels that we have. If you like any of these videos, let me know down below. I would love to get your feedback on what videos you would like to see, whether there'll be more money challenges, more scratch offs, more of these stuffing videos. Let me know down below and I would absolutely love to film it for you guys. Anyways, I love you guys and I am so tired right now, so I am actually going to go to bed. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge if I do not vlog this weekend. Bye, you guys.